How to uninstall apps from your Android device. If you have apps that you no longer use on your device and they're just sitting there taking up your storage, but you don't know how to remove them, then I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. First, go to your settings. Next, scroll down until you get to apps. Now this brings up a list of all apps that are installed on your phone. So scroll down and find the app that you would like to remove from your phone. Then click on the app. Then at the bottom, click on Uninstall. It will ask you to confirm, just click OK. And now that app has been removed from my phone. If you try to uninstall apps that were built in with your phone, you may not have the option to do this. So for these, as you can see, there's no uninstall button at the bottom, so you just click on disable and then click disable app. And now that app has been disabled. And that's all it takes to uninstall apps on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.